Are you tired of the emotional roller coaster of manual trading on Deriv? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am introducing you to a total game changer, pivotcore.net. If you're a Deriv trader, you know that timing is everything, and human error is usually our biggest enemy. PivotCore is a specialized auto-trading platform designed to take the stress out of your hands. It connects seamlessly with your Deriv account to execute strategies with lightning speed and robotic discipline. Today, I'm moving away from manual clicking and letting the automation show you what's truly possible when technology meets strategy. In this session, we are diving deep into the digit even-odd strategy. While many people try to guess the next digit manually, PivotCore uses advanced algorithms to analyze the last digit patterns in real time. My goal for this video is simple but ambitious, a 10-trade win plan. I've configured the bot to look for specific market conditions before it enters a trade. The beauty of this platform is the control it gives you. You set your stake, your target profit, and your safety nets. We aren't just gambling here. We're executing a mathematical plan that waits for the highest probability of an even or odd outcome. Watch the screen as the bot goes to work. Notice the precision. As we move through our 10-trade sequence, you can see how the software ignores the noise and only strikes when the pattern is right. We've already secured our first few wins, and the balance is growing steadily. This is the power of pivotcore.net. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't get greedy, and it doesn't get scared. Whether the market is volatile or stable, the automation stays true to the logic we programmed. For anyone struggling with consistency on Deriv, seeing these green rows of successful trades is exactly why you need to switch to an automated approach. We've just hit our 10-trade goal, and the results are undeniable. PivotCore.net makes professional-grade automation accessible to everyone, whether you're a beginner or a veteran trader. Why spend hours staring at ticks when you can let a proven system handle the execution for you? If you're ready to stop losing trades to emotion and start trading with algorithmic precision, you need to check out this platform right now. Head over to pivotcore.net, connect your account, and start your own winning journey. Check the link in the description to get started today. Don't just trade harder, trade smarter with PivotCore.